Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing very well. So today I'm going to fix this motherboard. This is a MacBook Pro 15 2018 motherboard and it's came in repair. It's totally dead. It's not power on. So now I will try to fix this board. So let's try to fix it. So let me show you the condition first. Let's plug in and look at my amp meter. It's taking 4.93 volt but 2.8 amps it's taking. That means the main power rail is short to ground or something short in this motherboard. Let's remove this. So in this case, first of all, I will check visual inspection whole motherboard under my microscope to try to find out anything, something like burned parts, liquid damage, corrosion, or damaged parts. So let's open my microscope. Start from here and try to find out. So if I find out anything physical damage, it will be very easy to fix this board. Just here. The motherboard looks like so fresh. This side is clear. Check this side. Okay, we got it. The common problem, CDIC has been burned. As you can see here. Let's try to find out anything else. Here we can see some corrosion. Okay, I will check it later. Okay, everything is okay except CDIC and some corrosion here. So first of all, I will replace this IC. Then I will check the condition and then I will fix here. So let's remove this IC first. So I take out the IC, as you can see here. Okay, clean is done. So here's the new IC. This one 32150020 321520, exact same. Some plugs here. Shake it. Okay. Perfect. Lastly melted. It's clean here. Okay, work is done. Now it's time to check. Let's plug it in. Internet to it. Okay. Look at my amp meter. It's taking now 19.7 volts. So that means the problem is solved. Now I will connect battery and then I will check everything is okay or not. Just I will check display is okay or not. So now it's taking ampere and we have Apple logo. So we successfully fixed this laptop. We have changed only CDIC and this laptop worked again. So I hope you all are enjoy this video. If you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. If you already subscribed my channel, thank you so much.